From hours to seconds, my AI solution for e-commerce testing by Zimri Gudino. Hi everyone, I am Zimri Gudino, and today I'm going to be going over a pretty cool project that I ended up creating after taking the AI Python for Beginner course by Andrew Ng. And if you guys have a chance to take the course, it's a pretty simple course. It's only 10 hours, and it's a great introduction on how to use Python with AI. And yeah, so let me show you really quick my project. Starting off by here's the course that helped me create this. And so my solution is creating dummy testing data. And so creating testing data can take time sometimes, it can take quite some time. And so I wanted to see or figure out a way on how we can use AI to generate some dummy data. And so I decided to create this simple project to do testing data for WooCommerce. And so what my project does is I use the OpenAI ChatGPT 4.0 mini model. And so here I'm telling the model that it is a WooCommerce data expert and its job is to create some dummy data for testing. And I want it to get returned to me in a JSON format. That way I can just plug it into the API, and I'm going to be using Bruno for that and send it to my WooCommerce store. So I give it a little example of how the JSON should look. And then I'm also giving it a temperature of 0. And here's the prompt. Enter the type of data you want to generate for your WooCommerce store. And then I have a simple while loop in order for us to generate between 1 and 10 products. And here is the result. So I told it to generate data for shoes for sports like soccer shoes, football, basketball, tennis, pickleball. And here's me testing the loop. I told it to generate 10. And here is the output. But I wanted to make it with Gradio. That way we have a UI component and y'all could also give it a shot. So I ended up making some tweaks, making it with Gradio, and I also ended up just putting it on Hugging Face. And so we're going to test it out real quick. And so for this, I'm actually using a Hugging Face open source LLM. So I'm not using OpenAI. So the results can vary. So let's just do something like books. And I want to generate 6 books. And here it is. Book product number 1, book product number 2, 4, 5, 6. And I'm just going to copy this real quick. And then where's Bruno? Here's my Bruno. Delete my old data, enter this data, and I'm going to hit submit. And so now if I go back to, this is my testing WooCommerce store. Right now at the moment, I only have 1 product. But if I refresh, I should have the 6 books that I just added. So that's the demo. Pretty much it just speeds up the time that it takes to generate product data, and this way you can just go into WooCommerce and start testing uh, dummy data and adding as many products as you want to your store, and from there you can run your test cases and do whatever you need. But yeah, if you have any suggestions on how to improve my model or any other generation of test data that we can create, I would highly appreciate it. Thank you very much.